Alright, we're in the New York State Fair. So the fair just opened. There's nobody here, which is super rare. They're testing all the rides, opening up the food vendors, and there's nobody here really. This is kind of a unique moment. I got in right when the gates opened. So I just want to wander around. It's actually kind of nice right now with nobody here. I get to see everything without all the crowds. And here's a cow.
I got second,
Alright, so we finished with the cows. We're gonna go look, see what else is going on here at the New York State Fair. $10 o'clock, everything just opened. Nobody here. History of the State Fair. In 1849, the very first Ferris wheel was at the New York State Fair on James Street in Syracuse. This is poultry, ducks and geese and chickens. It's hilarious. It's very loud in here.
Well, that was interesting and loud. We had the ducks, chickens, turkeys, peacocks, and rabbits. That was kind of fun. Baby horse.
So many things to see. Just walking around, petted some horses. Sea lion splash. Let's go see what this is all about. Some weird stuff at the fair.
Henry, say the word stop. Right there? Right there's good? Pretty good. Henry, say the word go! Yes! Did you see what Henry could do? Let's see what Henry. Okay, let's try it again. Henry, say the word stop. Right there. Henry, say go. Say the word go. Oh wait. Oh, I'm sorry. He needs you to be polite. You say, please go. You look at. Oh yeah, there you go.
Flashy start coming up right now. Flashy start. Whoa. Yes. Oh, now wait a minute. I normally get a bit more of a reaction than that. Too late now. I am guessing from that massive reaction that you guys can all do that trick at home. Am I right? Oh, I'm going to have to pull something really impressive out of the bag. Here we go then. Trick number 2 with the pins. It's a big one. Here it comes. Oh, yes. Let's face it, shall we? I'm giving you guys just about as much as you're giving me. Now, this show can only get better. And when I say this show can only get better, it can only get better from both sides. If you give me a bit of encouragement, I might do a better trick. Let's have some encouragement. Come on! Oh, he's getting a little bit better now. Give me more encouragement. Come on, more! Wow! Do you think I can throw them any higher? Well, I can't. But it...
Layup's good. Jake Osinski, just under 7 remaining to go in the first half. basketball.
Here we go. Who's got that?
Uzziah Grimes at the line shooting a 1-and-1.
There's a Camping World display here with some cool new designs, but I think they're a little bit small. I think they're a little small for me anyway, and a dog, but cool designs. Alright, I think that wraps it up. We're gonna leave before all the people get here. I'm gonna grab some food and on my way to Vermont. It was kind of a cool thing going to a state fair with no people here, really. The rides are just opening up right now and the food is all open, so I'm gonna get some food and call it a day. After an hour, call it a day. Alright, off to Vermont. Thanks for watching the New York State Fair video. Parking lot is full now. We are out of here. Came, saw, had a pulled pork sandwich. Probably went through every building. Petted a couple horses, or pet a couple of horses. And that's it. We are off to Vermont. That was fun. I always wanted to go to the New York State Fair.